ACI established in 1904 in the United States to provide a technical resource, certificates, and workshop for engineers in the field of concrete and construction. At AUIS, ACI Student Chapter was established in late 2022, where a group of individuals with passion for concrete and construction.
This semester at ACI, we brought back the International Spaghetti Bridge competition to AUIS. 6 groups of engineering students participated with amazing design of bridges made out of spaghetti with the supervision of the best engineering committee at AUIS.
ACI strives to foster innovation and excellence in the field of concrete through various events, workshops, and educational activities.